Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to the heart of the Smithsonian. We're inside the National Air and Space Museum, surrounded by the greatest icons of aviation and space exploration. From the dawn of flight to the edge of the galaxy, there is so much to see in these galleries. I'm going to be taking you through some of the most incredible artifacts ever built. So let's get started and enjoy exploring this amazing place.
Everyone's proud of you, even your mom, man. Your mom is super proud of you, brother.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, I love that place. That place is awesome.
I've been here for nearly an hour. Yo, my legs are shot from yesterday, bro.
Man, you're walking around like crazy.
Bro, I'm a complete maniac. I have like a little bit of a blister on my foot, but I put a thing called moleskin. Every time you have like a injury on your foot, you add that, and pretty much makes you guys it's called it's more like a buffer band-aid that you put on the blister, and then like you just wear it and you feel no pain at all.
President Eisenhower proposes the formation of a new civilian space agency, and in July 1958, signed into law NASA. For the remainder of his presidency, Eisenhower publicly supports NASA's main space program, but does not agree with spending billions on the race to the moon, testing and research. And then, in 1961, the first month of John F. Kennedy's presidency, NASA launched the space
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.